Hi guys, today we're going to cook Nilagpang, a traditional Illongo dish or also known as grilled or charred chicken soup. It can either be fish, chicken, or pork. Start by gathering the materials that you need. First, you will need a notch. You can use any type of stem. I use a bamboo notch because it is readily available. Start your fire with a flint or any fire starter. I use dried coconut husks and dried twigs I found in the farm. After starting the fire, prepare the chicken and tomato for grilling. I made bamboo skewers for both with a notch at the middle to hold it in place. Place the skewers beside the fire and tilt it slightly into the fire. While grilling the chicken, prepare the bamboo tube. Select a mature bamboo and cut it leaving 3 inches offset outward from the node. Offset an inch inward and saw about 1/3 of the depth. Using a machete, connect the 2 sawed lines, crack the opening and trim. It takes about 30 to 45 minutes to grill a chicken before you can chop it and put it in the nilagpang. Because I'm halfway through, I decided to heat the water and start making my own nilagpang. We can see that the tomatoes are already cooked, so it is now time to add the bamboo tube. To save time, I decided to simultaneously grill my chicken while heating the water in the bamboo tube. So now I'm gonna add the ginger and the scallions to impart more flavor to the soup. While waiting for the water to boil, we're going to chop our grilled tomatoes. After 25 minutes, the chicken is now ready to be chopped and added to the nilagpang. You need to cut off the feet because it is not quite edible, and chop the chicken into small pieces. Add the grilled tomatoes. Add a generous amount of salt and pepper. Water. Then let it simmer for 5 minutes. Nilagpang is a great dish when you are planning to feast on the great outdoors. It only takes about 4 ingredients to make: spring onions, ginger, tomatoes, and chicken. It is an authentic Illongo dish that has been passed from generation to generation. Kaunta! Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button.